Okay, having this in mind, we have to recall from equation star. Look at equation star. We are going to substitute for x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 into equation star. Substituting for x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 into equation star. And where is equation star? Look at it, which is our general solution. That is y equals to c1 plus c2 e to power 2x, then minus e to power x sine x all upon 2. Since x is equal to 0, which simply means that in this function, whenever you see x, replace it to be 0, and y equal to 2, here, wherever you see y, replace it to be 2. Let's do that. Instead of y is said to be 2, which is equals to c1 plus c2 e to power 2. Instead of x is 0. Then followed by minus e to power, instead of x we have 0, then sine, instead of x we have 0, all upon 2. All upon 2. Therefore, we now have this to be 2 equals to c1 plus c2 e to power 2 times 0 will give us 0, then minus power 0 sine 0 all upon 2. Okay, so this simply becomes that 2 is equals to c1 plus c2, then e to power 0 from the law of indices. Anything that raises itself to power 0 automatically becomes 1. So we now have, instead of e to power 0, we now have 1. Then followed by minus, this becomes 1 times sine 0 becomes 0. All divided by what? 2. Therefore, 2 equals to c1 plus c2. Of course, c2 times 1 will give us c2. Then followed by, of course, minus 1 times 0 will give us 0. All upon 2. All upon 2. Hence, we now have that 2 equals to c1 plus c2 minus 0 divided by 2 will be 0. Therefore, that becomes 2 equals to c1 plus c2. Let's call this equation A. Equation A. Very, very important. Also, recall that from the general solution, from equation star, we have that y equals to c1 plus c2 e to power 2x, then minus e to power x sine x all upon 2. That's the general solution. Remember the second initial value condition says y prime of 0 equals to half. That's the second. We have taken the first initial value problem, which is y of 0 equals to 2. This one has been taken, which resulted to equation A. Now, for us to take the second initial value problem, which is y prime of 0 equals to half. So, as a matter of fact, you should know that this simply means we need to differentiate equation star, which is the general solution, in order for us to have our y prime, that's the first derivative. So we need to differentiate y with respect to x.